Well, he's not going to hang around. He's
cracked away. Beautifully played. Little
time that the fielding side lose or give up through no fault of their own. That's beautifully.
Yes! Bowled him. Chamunorwa Chibaba. Full. And it's in the air. Man getting under it. Hamilton Masakadza. And Chamunorwa Chibaba claims the second wicket in the over.
And he's got him. Goodness me. So Pakistan lose another wicket after getting off. There's absolutely no doubt of his ability. And just like that, a little bit too straight from Chamunorwa Chibaba. He definitely wants to participate. But, he's identified that maybe his days are coming to an end. Well, it's a thick outside edge, and it'll go away for
any more wickets at the same time. Want to make sure that they're rotating the strike, putting the bad ball away like that. And good work on the boundary from Chamu Chibaba. Unfortunately, he's pushed that past Tinashe and they've run 4. Down the wicket. Bang. Down the wicket. Bang. There's a man under it, and Hamilton Masakadza takes an easy catch down at long on. Umar Akmal advanced.
Stamped opportunity. Gona begging. Richmond Mutumbami makes a meal of that one.
2 balls to spare. So it's been close. Finds the edge. So he kicks the ground, Williams, because it's run away for... It should have probably been 1 for something. He smacked that as SHOAIB Malik. And no need to run. Hold him. He's gone. SHOAIB Malik. Big wicket. Sean Williams. And got to be said, probably lost way out. It's gone big. Now, man back there. Chibaba. Oh, straight through his hands. Can you believe it? That's 3 chances in 3 balls. It's all happening here at Harare Sports Club, and all comes to...
Oh, he's hit that very well indeed. It's
also in a rich vein of form. Use of his feet. Trying to play the big shot. Man coming under it, but that's gone all the way for...
quick hands as well. Certainly strikes it clean. Adapting to them very, very quickly. That's again in the air, slow ball, well bowled. And
piecing it. Playing the big shot, and a fantastic catch by Chamu Chibaba.
Well, I'm not a betting man, but if I had that inclination, I would have put my money on the ball there. It just seemed so unlikely that Chamu...
Tinashe Panyangara again, slower bounce up. And probably another wicket. Direct hit by Richmond Mutumbami. Had no time to take the glove off. Looking to rotate the strike, the last ball of the innings. Wow, Briaz looking for that.
Short. And that's not a good start. As this is the problem we've spoken about. As much as it is the first ball, you want to have what the pitch would add on to that. Hold him! It's played back. And he loses his middle stump. So we spoke about the... A big thank you for them. Edge from Irvin, and it's going to work.
Powerfully hit down the ground. The man is up. Outside the line of all stump for me, I think, but it's given. Jeremiah Matabiri, he thinks it's out.
How about that for a piece of timing? Wow-wee. Good strike. Oh, geez, got poor delivery and very well put away. Oh, well, he's got him one way or the other. Up goes the finger. So is he LBW? Yes, he is. It's giving him LBW.
Oh, he's gone straight over his head, just like that. First ball. Straight. Man there. Has he fallen? Yes, he has. There was the man to bat through the innings. And Hamilton Masakadza, has he just thrown away?
into Williams, who punches it hard down the ground, and the ball will race away. An appeal given. Umpire Jerry Matipiri has got his finger up.
Powerful shot, and he picks up 4.
Oh, that's out. A direct hit. Well, it should be out. We'll have a look and see, of course, but these hits are always so crucial, aren't they, Edward Rainsford?
About this is that as the bails go up, they're the same color as the umpire's trousers, but you can see from that there that the bails have left the groove and he's well short of his ground, Richmond Mutumbami, and that confirms it. The red light for the wicketkeeper batsman, and he's out. Pakistan. Slow ball, big shot, and it's gone.
So I think, oh, goodness me, that's a run out. There was a call of wait in Shona saying mira, but it was all in vain.
And another one. Graham Creamer. Full-length delivery by one.
May not be. Good strike. Very. Well, you see a bit of luck as well, changes.
Short, pulled away, and a much
boundaries desperately needed. Well bowled. That's the skill, and a run out. Mohammed Rizwan. Wonderful work from the keeper. Depending on whether they score one here, that's just, it's magical stuff. It is a joy to watch. What an absolute pleasure. Imran Khan with 6 slower balls, and I don't think that they were all the same either, but I haven't seen enough of him live to be able to tell you what they were, but they were all absolutely unpickable by the batsman, unreadable. Brilliant bowling.
Well, we were on about Suhail Tanvir as we see the Pakistan captain Shahid Afridi congratulating his boys. Fantastic victory, defending 136. But it looks like Pakistan have found themselves another gem at the end of a T20 innings. Fantastic pictures. The Zimbabweans disappointed they would be, I'm sure.